Hey, birdwatchers, today we're going to have fun with Sanity. No, not my Sanity. The headless CMS Sanity. As you can see here, Blackbird has a vast ecosystem of apps. In this demo, we're actually going to see a few of them interacting. But of course, the main topic is going to be Sanity, a CMS built for structured content and real-time collaboration. And we're also going to show you how easy it is to build a quick Sanity workflow using blueprints. A blueprint is a concept that links apps together and makes it so that a user only has a few clicks to build a workflow. We'll start with AI Translate CMS content. Sanity is already selected as the CMS, so let's just choose DeepL for our machine translation app. And a workflow magically appears. We've built our Sanity app to be flexible with the different content types Sanity has to offer, to make sure that you have control over what content you need to transform. In this demo, we'll start with a snippet, and then show you an article filter in a little bit. We'll head over to Sanity to check out the snippet content. Let's make a change, and then hit Publish. Back in Blackbird, our bird has already taken flight, and in a flash, it's done. Now we can go through the steps to see the results. And back to Sanity, we can see our localized content. That was a pretty simple workflow. So now we're going to use an article as a trigger, create a localized project, send a custom Slack message, and have a checkpoint. Essentially, a second trigger enabled in the bird to allow for some human-in-the-loop activities in Lokalise. After that step is done, it will export the project from Lokalise and seamlessly deliver back to Sanity. Here is an article. We'll make a quick change. We can see that the content has some bolding and other formatting elements. And has referenced entities with some images in them. Blackbird will handle all of these with no issues. Once again, we hit Publish, and our bird is flying fast. You can see it's already at its checkpoint. Here's our Slack message with a link to the project in Lokalise. In Lokalise, we can review the content and make any needed changes. This adds a level of human in the loop to make sure our content is ready to go back into Sanity. We can also use the preview function in Lokalise to see the full context and flow on the text. Blackbird ensures it's in the proper order, and the preview includes images and formatting elements too. Once we're all done, we can close the task in Lokalise, which is our checkpoint trigger in Blackbird. That downloads the contents, and through the power of Blackbird interoperability, sends the content back to Sanity with ease. Back in Sanity, we can see all of the content was handled well, and sent back to the correct spots. We just made an already flexible CMS known for managing, structuring, and distributing content across any channel into a very powerful content transformation factory. And that'll do it for another Blackbird demo. Thanks as always for watching, and as always, keep your eyes to the skies for more awesome things coming soon.